Creating a Gmail account is a simple process that allows you to access Google's suite of services. Begin by visiting the Gmail website or downloading the Gmail app, where you'll see an option to create an account. Click on Create Account, and you'll be prompted to enter some personal information, such as your first and last name. After providing your name, you'll choose a username, which will serve as your new Gmail address. If your preferred username is already taken, Gmail will suggest alternatives, or you can try other unique variations. Next, you'll create a password that's secure and easy for you to remember. To make it strong, use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you set your username and password, Google may ask you to add a recovery phone number and email address, which can be helpful if you ever need to recover your account. You'll also be prompted to verify your phone number for added security. After completing these steps, review Google's terms and privacy policy, then accept them to finalize your account setup. Once your account is created, you can begin sending and receiving emails and explore other Google services connected to your Gmail account.